Okay, I am going to add some strength to these steering links on the FCX24. As you guys have watched my videos before, I'm always looking for something that I can try that's going to be cheap and kind of different. But again, I'm going with going to use those straws from the tumblers. I've still got plenty of those, and see if I can maybe make those fit over the top of this to add some strength. And the main thing I'm wanting more than to do away with the flex is, since this has become a monster truck build, when you're doing monster truck things, as you know, and there's a lot of things hitting those links down there, and I'm afraid they just won't hold up. But moving those big tires around definitely shows to have a lot of flex in it also. Okay, here basically what I did is I just took a piece of notebook paper and set those things down, just kind of outline them so I could kind of get the correct bend, so I knew I'd have plenty of room for steering around the diff. It's a pretty simple process. Didn't do a lot of measuring or anything, just kind of going at it. Just didn't care how it looked when I got done, just as long as it would add some strength and keep me from breaking these things so easily. I used my tubing bender on this. It doesn't take much at all, so I'm sure there's other ways you could do it. I just used a little handheld pipe cutter to cut them to length, and then just using the pliers to kind of pop it down in there. What I done was I took my Dremel tool and split them to where I could fit the links back down in it, and then just kind of take the pliers and work them back in there and close them up the best I could. So far it turns out pretty well. Hopefully they'll hold up very well. Well, they turned out looking pretty good. I'm happy with them. Getting them put back on here now, and had great clearance, and as you'll see, they work very well. Had no trouble with them hitting anything binding, so I think it'll work out good to give me what I was looking for, and hopefully it'll help you out if you decide to do it yourself. Guys, if you hadn't thought about making your FCX into a FCX24 into a monster truck, it is a ton of fun. There's some little things that I've done here, there, and yonder to what I thought would help it out some, but ordered the tires and wheels, got those in. Once you get those on there, I mean, it's ready to go. You really wouldn't have to do a whole lot to it to get that to work out and have fun with it. That 2-speed transmission just is amazing once you build it into a monster truck. Okay, just a quick overview of some of the things I've done. I had to trim the fenders to have plenty of clearance, you know, to be able to turn those big tires without them binding or anything. Wasn't a big deal. Took a Dremel and cut those out. I've added some weight here and there when I was actually crawling it, which doesn't seem to bother it at all as a monster truck build. And then I clocked the portals in the back. As you can see, they're turned out. All you have to do is take a knife and trim off that little tab. But here's some run time of it. I mean, super fun. We've had a great time with it since we got it done. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. I hope that there's something here that can help you, and by all means, like and subscribe. Thanks so much.